This is one of the trials we did. We did it at Cambridge University. We did it quite a long time ago now, back in 2004, 2005. And we were looking at Clostridrium difficile and Clostridrium difficile associated diarrhea. And it was a double-blind placebo-controlled trial, and we took these patients, divided them into two groups. One group had probiotics, the other one didn't, and then we looked at the impact on antibiotic therapy on C. difficile. So what we found was that both in the placebo group, 13% of the patients had the presence of C. difficile in their feces. And in the probiotic group, it was 16%, so not a lot of difference. But when we looked at the production of toxin, and remember, it's the toxin that the C. difficile produces that causes the diarrhea. And in the placebo group, 78% of the patients in the placebo group who were positive for C. difficile, 78% who were positive produced toxin. And in the Lab 4 group, it was 46%, a significant reduction. And then when we looked at C. difficile associated diarrhea, diarrhea caused by C. difficile, we found that in the placebo group, 67% of the people who were positive for C. difficile in their feces developed C. difficile associated diarrhea, but in the probiotic group, only 18% of them positive for the presence of C. difficile diarrhea for C. difficile produced C. difficile diarrhea. It's still one of the clearest studies that's been done in terms of demonstrating the impact that probiotics can have on C. difficile.